mention Venn diagrams, and you've all seen these before. They're the things that look like this, and then they have different ideas of sets inside here. So this could be camels and dogs and people's pets. So let's try an example of what a Venn diagram is and how we can use it. So if you take a moment, read the problem. There's 60 students in the class. 25 attend wood shop class. So here's, let's say, wood shop, and 20 students attend word processing. So we'll say this is word processing, WP. If 7 students were in both classes, we want to draw the Venn diagram. Well, I know I have wood shop and word processing. This is the key. It usually is easiest to start with the ones that is shared. These 7 here are both in woodworking and word processing. But if I know there's 20 in total of wood processing, so there's 7 counted here, so that means there must be 13. 7 plus 13 is the 20 in word processing. And similarly over here, if I go 25 in wood shop minus the 7 will give me 18 in here. Now, outside here, there must be some students that don't take either. And if I know 18 plus 7 is 25 plus 13, so in total I've counted for 38 students in here. There's 60 students in total. So if I go 60 minus 38, I end up with 22. So outside here must be 22. When I add them all up, I get 60. So now, how many students were not enrolled in both wood shop and word processing? Now, they weren't in both. Now that is careful. The only people that are enrolled in both are these 7 here. So I want all the other people. So 22 plus 13 plus 18 is going to be, in total, 53 people. Think carefully about what these words mean. Let's try another example. Okay, so this one now, of 19 people in the Glee Club, 11 have dogs, 7 have cats. 4 people do not have any cats or dogs. So we're going to draw a Venn diagram. So here is, we'll say, cats. Here, we'll say, dogs. And then we have all the 19 people in total are accounted for. 4 do not have cats or dogs. So that means out here are 4 people. And so inside here, I must have 15 left. 15 subtract, or 4 subtract 19 is 15. So 11 dogs, 7 cats. If I add those together, that's 18 people. And yet I only have 15. So that means if I subtract these, there's 3 people that have been counted twice. So that means there must be 3 in here because there's extra. To find out the dog owners, I now say 11 minus 3, which will be 8, because 3 plus 8 is 11. The cat owners is 3 minus 7, which is 4. So now if I add all these up, I should get 19. 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 8 more is 16, plus 3 is indeed 19. So my Venn diagram is good. So now, B part, how about only cats? Only cats, there are 4 members. How many have both a cat and a dog? So a cat and a dog, well, that's going to be, these people here have both. There's 3 of those. And finally, how many people have a cat or, this symbol means or a dog. That means union. All, it could be a cat, a dog, or both. So that's, this is cat people, dog people, so 12, plus the cat and the dog people is 15 in total. So that is 15 in total. So these Venn diagrams, quite handy. We can make a picture representation of how different sets of people or animals exist. And this Venn diagram was actually invented by a guy named John Venn in about 1880. So mathematically speaking, it's a fairly new idea, and it's quite helpful in organizing our thoughts and our information.